Hello, this is Danny Molek, aka Dr. Danny Uncle Glockenspieler. We're constructing a cuckoo clock. These are the cuckoo clock components. There's two parts to this stuff. This is one. It's all one part, and this is all the other part. We'll look at the cuckoo clock first. I'm gonna build this, but what we got here is a electric one or electronic one. This is the pendulum. It takes size D batteries. It goes back and forth like that. It's gonna get little hooks on it. Size D batteries. It's got this thing. We're gonna find out what this means. What does it say? Adjust, on, low, off. That's probably for the cuckoo clock things. Here's the cuckoo bird. That's pretty cool, eh? It's got a, see what the back has. It's got a speaker on the back, or on the side. That's pretty cool. There's the connector. Let's take the bird out. This is Bjork themed again because I dedicated the cuckoo clock screenplay to Bjork. And if it has to do with blasphemy against the Holy Spirit, how am I going to make it right? All I can do is just keep repenting the rest of my life for everything. I'm absolved if I did anything wrong, but the show must go on. You gotta follow through if you want to be forgiven. Not half-assed. This is going to be a half-assed prototype, but here's what we got here. Let's just look at them on the schematics. Let's see what the schematics say. There's the center. Let's go look at this now. We got 3 batteries, got a volume knob. We have the master control matrix. Wait, let's see that. There's the batteries, there's the volume knob, there's a master control matrix, there's the chip, which the 2 songs are on there. Here's the speaker. And here's the clock. Here's the clock nostrils. I call them nostrils. I don't know what they are called. Hands. And there's a day and night adapter, so we can change the song during day and night. Oh, I forgot to show that too. That's from the other one. There's the door. See, it opens. That goes on the front of there. And then we got the hands for that one, the nostrils. Anyways, I'm gonna combine 2 clocks together for the prototype. Let's walk over here. I'm gonna use this corrugated plastic. You can see that. Can we get an edge shot of that? No, it doesn't work that side. Yeah, that's corrugated plastic. The way they cut these out for the doughy deer and rocking horses helmets with China marker. I have 2 kinds of corrugated cardboard. I have this thick one, like on the doughy deer helmet, and then I have this blue one here. So I think we're gonna make a winter kind of Arctic kind of cuckoo clock for the prototype. Look, you even get a coupon. Look, they put a coupon. I love coupons. 40% off. Wow. Wow, how sentimental. Here's the music box. Now, this chip right here has the recording of the music box on it. I'm just gonna play it so you can hear it sound. Some might. I didn't do a good recording. See that vibration, the twang? Too much twang on the recording. It was a prototype. I'm not a sound guy, but I have to learn sound, and I don't have a soundproof apartment. That's pretty cool, eh? So I was gonna play. That's Lara's theme. Lara's theme is crazy. Laura Secord, kerfuffle, the cuckoo clock screenplay, and I actually found my lady friend, my true love, Left that heart there. Oh, my heart belongs to her. It's in my musical heart belongs to her. Here, we'll open this. Then, so it's gonna play that one. It's gonna play the music box. Where is that? There it is. And then it's gonna play Lily Marlene. And I used it from the. Wow, that's cool. You know what's cool about these cameras? That focus on there is actually better than the focus on the video file. It focused the video file. Oh, I gotta start that over. Here, we'll start that over. This is just gonna play this song. This is from Underground, Kusturica. So even though it's playing a Russian from Dr. Zhivago, Lara's theme, and then I picked this song from Underground, Lily Marlene. Lily Marlene was actually a German song from World War II, and Hitler approved it because he was in the military. And it became a theme of World War II. Both the Allies and Axis loved this song as a pop song. It became a theme. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Anyways, that's it. That's the cuckoo clock. There's gonna be Lily Marlene. And did I take the bird out? There's the bird. Yeah, there's the bird. That's about it. We'll get back to you next week when I get the batteries. I have no batteries. I'm poor. I spent all my money on a cuckoo clock purchase this week. But I'll do the shtick for the final presentation. I'm not going to do it for this. All right. Ciao, ciao. God bless. Goddess bless everyone.